now.
Here's my rod, 10 to a half inch to match these
How
holes.
did you measure that?
Now, see the way I almost always do, I take the tool that I cut the hole with and I measure that.
Rather than the hole.
Yeah. And then I try this over that and it just goes over and I know it'll be a good fit. Now, I've made these about of an 1/8 of an inch depth.
How did you
wanna
measure
check
that?
Just on the pillar drill there's a mark you can go down to.
Okay.
And now I'm trying these holes for depth to make sure that that's going to be proud when I cut
Sticking
it.
out.
Yeah, that's right. So each one is going to be sticking out a little bit. So I
Okay.
made some of these a little bit bigger just to be sure, just to be on the safe side. And now I'm going to cut them off with this jeweler's saw. And that's just a matter of catching them. We'll try and catch them. Takes a little while, but not that long. And then I'm going to glue them in, put the item that I'm making back on the lathe and turn them down, and then I'll polish it. That's it.